So in this video we will be unboxing the Turan Hydra slash Wyvern box. Yeah, so I've already unboxed this, but I thought I'd give you my little take on this box because you've probably seen it before. So I'm onto the other side. What have we got here? We have got the what looks like the Hydra flak tank with two dudes, which is always cool. You have the Storm Shard mortar Wyvern. What else we got? We got these guys again sitting on the back, and a better picture of the dudes. I'll be using them separately. Oh, I'm yawning. I do apologise. Golly, good golly gosh. Right, so we will open it up. Boom, says the lid. Goodbye. This is the instructions. I'll have a quick flick through. Won't focus too much. Standard Chimera thingy, chassis. It is pronounced chassis, in case you was wondering. Not chassis, but chassis. We has the other bit. This is the main bit. Before you get to this section, that's pretty much it, compared to every other Chimera set. Yep, more bits, as ever. Obviously, if you want to see it, take a screenshot if you wish. Well, actually, I can't give you that permission, but yeah, people do that kind of thing. So, this is the Hydra, boring. Yeah, and it's actually got, which is kind of cool, the old rules. So you can see how many hull points it used to have compared to how many wounds it currently has now. There's a front armor of 12, so a little bit of a laugh. Sometimes I still like to say, well, since I'm shooting you on the rear armor, do I get a +1 or something? But yeah, that's just me having a laugh and a joke, as you do. So I won't show you the more interesting bit first, because why would I? We'll spend more time on that than this one. So this is basically the standard Chimera body with all your tracks, with a little hatch, some tracks, blah blah blah, yakety schmackety. That is the main bit of the thingy. So that's the main bit done. No, it isn't. That's the boring bit done. So we have the turny-whirny bit, technical term for all you not in the know. These are the Storm Shard things. This is another tiny bit, I think. This is a bit I like. It's very, very cool in a very uncool way, I think. But it'd be cool to do like Space Invaders or something like from an Atari on there. That'd be cool. Or like Snake or something. That'd probably be more feasible. I don't think I'll be able to do that. Ah, here's a dude. So we'll spin it around. The Hast, the guy. Where is he? There's the dude. Looks very official, like an officer, if I speak English, as it is meant to be spoken. Good golly gosh, I do apologise. Anyway, cracking on. What do we have? These are the bits that I attach onto the gunny bits. Gunny bits, yeah. Like a searchlight, possibly, or like a targeting malarkey. This is the base of which it stands on. Yeah. And there's your little Storm Shard mortar again. And these are the big Hydra flak cannons, which are cool. If I can be bothered, and if it's of like little effort, I will probably convert it so I can just wham the big gunny bits in. So before this video, I did actually record a video in regards to the Basilisk. I don't know if it's out yet, so you might not have seen it. So I don't think I've had an answer yet. But basically, there's all your transfers, as you do. But there's also, you've got Turan, Valhalla, Katshan, this is Alpha, Cadian, Armageddon, and it says Turan. Turan, Mordian, and Rizar. That's a Forge World Rizar. Is Turan a Forge World? Or is it like another regiment of the Guard? If you can let me know, that would put my little crazy mind at rest, thank you. Because everything I've Googled up so far, it comes up with little to no information about anything. So, as ever, if you liked it, whoosh, one of them bad boys. If you didn't, one of them bad boys. And comments, as ever, and subscribe, hitting the bell button to see more videos like this one.